The Subcoastal Mariner is about to conduct an exploration of the bottom.
It was like this deep where we were at.
Yeah. Oh, this is nuts. It's got to be 50 feet out into a river with debris that used to be on the bottom. And the Subcoastal Mariner decides to brave the elements and the shallows up close and personal.
Once you get off this rock, it's actually kind of smooth.
Okay,
So here's the test. Let's see how far.
the Commodore is going deep,
Where were we? Like we were
like over there. Here, let me circle so I get a reference point. Whoa, damn, it's shallow.
I mean, you could feel chill, but like.
Feel the chill. Just keep walking straight towards that life ring out there. I am the surface support team. I have a rope and I have a cliff bar. Fuck you.
Oh, it's a little cold. I only have one of those track cleans under here. Like all nice sand down here too. It's not even it's like nice and smooth.
Commodore von Lichtenstein decides to take a walk in Rocky River. In Rocky River. He is. You are now halfway across. Wait, turn this way for a second.
Look at this. Like, look up our window. Can I go all the way across?
How far can you get?
It's not even just deeper here. It's the same.
Keep going.
It's like the same.
It's getting more shallow. Call in the dredge.
That's why there's waves here.
And then it got more interesting. It is up to his knees in the center of the channel. See if you can get across. You got to see if you can get across.
It's like all sandy too. It's like that smooth sand.
Keep going until you.
We're like in the middle. Oh, it's getting easy.
Uh-oh. Well.
I think I'm getting to the edge. Oh.
Oh, whoa! Don't get off my boat.
Now it's like dropping way down.
Oh
here.
shit!
So this is probably about.
No wait.
Still.
Walk.
This is where they must have been.
Walk a little bit south.
Yeah. Yeah. There's like an edge right here. Ugh. But then look at it. It's like.
And then you just keep going.
I bet they probably like dredged through here.
Yeah, they try to get a channel.
But I wonder how far I go this way. I wish I could see. See where it.
Whoa!
I mean, we're pretty dang close. Yeah, like right here, it starts to go down.
Okay, so now he's walking us south. See if you could go a little bit more east. Oh my God! Oh!
This is crazy, dude.
Start going that way again.
I'm gonna walk this thing.
Yeah, off the edge of the cliff.
Oh, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Right here, it starts to go off. It's like a 45-degree angle.
Okay, well that's more than halfway across.
We're still in the middle.
Yeah.
Because like, if you flip, then like all the air can go to your feet, and
And you can't turn over.
you might, yeah. So
Yeah.
careful. I mean, normally I wear my life jacket, but I don't really want to get it all.
Yeah.
It's like 30 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like 40. It's like 43, I think.
Yeah. Well, the river's probably a little chillier. I'm still standing.
And This is so surreal. This is so bizarre.
It's weird that it's like deeper here. But
Try going more towards, because you could tell where it's breaking.
oh, for over here it's super shallow. Like
No, if you go north. If you go more north.
which way? This way?
Yeah, north. Duh. Go north. I command you. I am the captain now. Oh, I should just give you my tow rope. You could. Why am I paddling? I give you a rope and man, I could chill out. It's it's getting shallower. Keep going. You gotta keep going.
I don't know. My lower parts are getting cold.
I wonder why.
I should have more layers on.
Duh. And that is how shallow we can get. Whoa, look at this. Where's this coming from? Ah, adventures. Never a dull moment.